Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. Just in case you're watching this video for the first time, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss on any future updates. So since you guys liked my last video, that is my silk sari collection part 2, I'm doing something similar, but this time I am going to showcase the saris I got for my mom for my wedding. So this is just part 1 of her sari collection. So I will be posting part 2 very soon. So now without any delay, let's get into the video. So I got this sari for my mom. I think she draped this on our reception day. I will show the sari first. It's a single color sari. It's a little grand with all these zari buttas all over the body. And pallu is also very rich like this. So for this one, she wanted this kind of kuchu design, so I got this done for her. And since in the blouse I used a contrast green color, even in kuchu I got the green done. So this is the blouse, this is the back neck. Got double colored satin loading. Along with that there is some zardosi loading, and these are matte finish beads. These are of good quality, so they don't tend to lose their color really fast. So I've got this sleeve design done because for the sleeve the border was very small, so to give it a little more grand look, we've also added some jarkans and some buttas on the sleeve. So the front also I've got a similar or same neckline done. So this next sari is my personal favorite because it has got this very interesting color combo. I kind of like these very rare combinations. I shall show you guys the sari first. It does not have any running border. Instead, there are some big buttas. I think, let me just show it to you like this. And it has got this kind of beautiful silver zari pallu. This is how the pallu is, and in this, in the bottom he has given this kind of buttas here, where there is both silver and gold zari used. So for this particular sari, I've got this kind of kuchu work done. Again, she wanted this particular design, so that is the reason I got this done. Now let me show you the blouse. I really love the way the blouse turned out. So I've given a scallop neckline for this, and we've used both silver and zari, gold zari, so that it matches and complements the sari. So I really love the way the blouse looks when she wears it. And the sleeve is also a little interesting. I've got this kind of design done. It looks really cute when worn. So the same thing, whatever is done on the neckline is continued on the sleeve, and we've also given the scallop design in the sleeve. So this kind of falls on the skin when we wear it, so it looks really pretty. So what we have used here is bullion knots and then some clove stitches, satin stitch, and then this is the back stitch and some zardosi weaving. So all this is used. Very less beads is used for this blouse, and since the blouse is really plain, I've scattered some buttas with some small pearls. So for the front as well, I've got the same kind of scallop neck with the same design as in back. So she wore this particular sari for our muhurtam or the wedding day. I know it's quite a common color combination, but so far she did not have anything like this, so that is the reason I got this for her. I think you must have seen this sari in one of the recent videos where I posted how to work this design. So it's a very beautiful parrot green and bright pink combination. Pallu is also very rich. It has got this golden flowers in zari, and all over the body also we have these kind of round big buttas with some peacock inside, and there is also some self thread work in the sari. So for this, she wanted something with mangoes, so that is the reason I designed this kind of blouse for her. So again, completely we have used only thread and zari, only except this part where we have scattered some beads. So this again, we've used French knots and clove stitch along with the zari loading here. So for the sleeve, we already had this kind of border around 3 inches. So I got this peacock butta done to match the butta in the sari. And the front is exactly the same as back. So here in the French knots, we've mixed pink and gold, because when the fabric is pink, when we use only pink, it might not get highlighted. It will just tend to blend with the fabric. So that is the reason, to make it stand out, we generally mix few strands of silk thread in zari, and this is how it looks. So this next sari is again, it has a very interesting color combination with this pale pink or a rosy pink with grey blouse. The pallu is also grey. It's a very beautiful grey with this silver kind of border. I think we picked this up from Kanchi when we went to buy my wedding saris. So this is how it goes. The border is very pretty. I kind of liked the sari as soon as I saw it, and that's the reason I picked it up for mom. So the pallu is also very rich and pretty. So this is the pallu with grey and silver combo. So for this, I got this kind of ari work tassels done. So we have worked a cut work border, and then we trimmed it in a scallop shape, and finally we added some crystal hangings to give it a nice look. So this is the sari. The inner is mostly plain with just very small scattered buttas like this. Let me show you the blouse. The blouse is pretty much simple because she didn't want too much work done for this blouse. She somehow wanted this border to be used here in the back. Despite of me telling not to use that, she insisted that she would go for it. So that is the reason. Since we didn't have any room, we just had to squeeze in a very small border like this around the neck. And to give it a neat look, I've got it stitched with piping here as well as here in the bottom. Front also the same design is repeated. And for the sleeve, since she wanted it to be very simple, this is how I got it done. So this is going to be the last sari I'm going to show you guys in this video. I don't think she has draped this one yet. It's again a very beautiful combination, though it is quite common. I kind of love the bright blue color in this. And yeah, it's quite common design. I wouldn't say it's really different. It has this mangoes in the straight line. It's kind of dual tone. Let me show you guys the pallu. Pallu is really rich. It's a blue color pallu with all this peacock and some scattered buttas. So for this, she wanted this honeycomb design. She usually chooses her own kuchu designs. She never lets it on me, because if I have to choose, I will probably go for some portly designs or something like that. So she is not a fan of those kind of designs. She really likes these honeycomb and anything that has these kind of silk thread bunches. So I let her choose her own designs. And the blouse for this, I've got this kind of work done. Beautiful cut work neckline on one side, and a plain round neck on the other side. So here we have used a little bit of kundans and some zardosi, but rest of it is again done in thread and zari. So I really love the way this turned out. Even she liked it. She was not too sure when I actually told her about this blouse, but once it was ready, she really loved it. So the front, we've repeated the same thing like we worked in the back. And sleeve, she wanted the border to be used, and she didn't want any butta because she doesn't like wearing elbow length sleeve. Most of her blouses have short sleeves, so that's the reason I did not get any butta done. If in case I were to do a butta, then this would have got disturbed, so I didn't want to mess around with that. Instead, I just stuck to the same border that we worked on this side of the back. So that's about it. So these are the blouses that I designed for my mom. I hope you guys like this video. In case you like the video, do give it a thumbs up, and in case you have not subscribed to the channel yet, do subscribe and let me know which one of the designs you like the most in these. Like I already mentioned, this is just a part 1 because right now I could only find these sarees of hers. I don't know the rest. Maybe she's packed it up somewhere. So I will be doing a part 2 soon. So I guess that's all in this video. Do let me know in the comments as to which one is your favorite. And yeah, I shall catch you guys soon with more interesting stuff. Until then, take care, guys, and bye bye.